Too busy to cook even when you want to eat better. Skipping meals or living on takeout, just to save time. What if I told you fat loss doesn't require cooking, meal prep, or extra time? It sounds like a fantasy, but it's not at all. I've spent my life in kitchens where time is precious, and efficiency is everything, every single day. The real secret? Assembling high-impact, delicious meals in just minutes. It's about using smart, fresh ingredients that truly work for you. Today I'm pulling back the curtain and showing you 3 powerhouse meals you can make in under 10 minutes. Right at your desk if you have to. Let's get to it now. First up, let's dive into the Protein Crunch Mediterranean Bowl, a lunch that's as vibrant and energizing as your busiest workday. This isn't just another salad you'll forget about by 3 p.m. It's a power-packed meal designed to keep you sharp, satisfied, and ready to tackle whatever the afternoon throws your way. Imagine sitting at your desk, enjoying a bowl that not only tastes incredible, but also fuels your focus and productivity. This is the kind of lunch that makes you feel good about your choices. No more sluggish afternoons or mindless snacking. The foundation here is protein, your secret weapon for staying full and focused. Protein isn't just for athletes, it's for anyone who wants to power through the day without energy, crashes, or cravings. Start with a can of chickpeas, rinse them well and pat them dry. This simple step gives them a better texture and helps them soak up all the flavors you're about to add. Next, toss in toasted pumpkins, seeds, and walnuts. These aren't just for crunch, they're loaded with healthy fats and minerals that support your brain and keep you feeling satisfied long after lunch. Now, add a burst of freshness with diced cucumber, juicy halved cherry tomatoes, and a sprinkle of finely chopped red onion. These veggies bring color, crunch, and a refreshing bite that wakes up your taste buds. The star ingredient? Real feta cheese. Crumble a block packed in brine right over the top. It's creamy, tangy, and brings that unmistakable Mediterranean flavor that makes this bowl irresistible. For the dressing, keep it simple and pure. Squeeze fresh lemon for brightness, drizzle with extra virgin olive oil for richness, and finish with a sprinkle of dried oregano and cracked black pepper. That's all you need. No bottled dressings, no hidden sugars. Now, assemble your bowl. Start with the chickpeas, layer on the veggies, sprinkle the seeds and nuts, crumble the feta, and finish with your fresh dressing. Each bite is a perfect balance of protein, fiber, healthy fats, and flavor. This bowl is a nutritional powerhouse. The combination of protein, fiber, and healthy fats keeps you full, energized, and focused. No more mid-afternoon slumps or cravings for junk food. You'll notice the difference. No blood sugar spikes, no crashes, just steady, reliable energy that lasts all afternoon. It's the kind of lunch that supports your goals, not sabotages them. And the best part? It takes just 5 minutes to make. That's faster than waiting in line for takeout. And you know exactly what's going into your body. You can even prep the ingredients ahead of time, store them in containers at your desk or in the office fridge. When lunchtime hits, just assemble and enjoy. It's meal prep made effortless. Keeping these simple, wholesome ingredients on hand means you're always just minutes away from a nourishing meal, no matter how busy your day gets. This is how you reclaim your lunch break and your health. No more settling for greasy takeout or skipping meals. You're making a choice that supports your body and your ambitions. There's no cooking required, no complicated steps, just real, whole foods coming together in minutes. It's proof that healthy eating doesn't have to be hard or time-consuming. When you sit down with this bowl, you're making a statement. You value your body, your time, and your well-being. You're choosing to fuel your day with intention. It's not just delicious and filling, it's a meal that actively supports your fat loss goals, keeps you satisfied, and helps you perform at your best, even on your busiest days. Give it a try. Experience the difference a real, nourishing workday lunch can make in your energy, your mood, and your productivity. This is your first step toward transforming not just your workday, but your entire relationship with food. It's about making choices that empower you, one meal at a time. Don't just eat. Fuel your ambition, your focus, and your future with every bite. The Mediterranean Bowl. Simple, elegant, and incredibly effective. It's proof that healthy food can be beautiful, satisfying, and easy to make. Ready to level up your lunch game? Let's move on to the next recipe and keep the momentum going. Next up, let's dive into the avocado tuna power wrap. A game changer for anyone who wants a quick, nutritious meal without sacrificing flavor or time. This is your ultimate grab-and-go solution for those jam-packed days when sitting down for a meal just isn't an option. Whether you're dashing out the door for a meeting or need a fast lunch between calls, this wrap has your back. The star of the show is canned tuna, a lean, protein-packed superstar that's affordable, convenient, and always ready when you are. Tuna is loaded with essential amino acids, making it perfect for muscle repair and keeping you full for hours. Start by draining your tuna well to avoid a soggy wrap, then flake it with a fork until it's light and fluffy. This step ensures every bite is perfectly textured. Next, mash in half a ripe avocado, nature's butter. Avocado brings a creamy texture and a dose of healthy monounsaturated fats that support heart health and keep you satisfied. It's the secret to making this wrap feel indulgent, yet totally guilt-free. Add a generous squeeze of lime or lemon. This not only brightens up the flavors but also helps keep the tuna and avocado mixture fresh and vibrant even if you prep it ahead of time. Sprinkle in some red pepper flakes for a gentle kick, a dash of black pepper, and a pinch of salt. Don't be afraid to taste and adjust the seasoning to your liking. This is your wrap, your way. This powerful combo of protein and healthy fat keeps you full, energized, and focused. No more mid-afternoon crashes or cravings for junk food. Choose a high-fiber whole wheat wrap as your base. Check the label for at least 3 grams of fiber and minimal added sugar. The fiber helps slow digestion, keeping your energy steady and your hunger at bay. Lay down a generous bed of spinach or arugula. These leafy greens add vitamins, minerals, and a satisfying crunch, making your wrap even more nutritious and delicious. Spoon the tuna-avocado mixture on top of your greens and spread it out evenly. This ensures every bite is packed with flavor and nutrition. Fold in the sides, then roll it up tightly from the bottom. This technique keeps all the goodness inside so you can eat on the move without worrying about spills or mess. The best part? You can make the tuna-avocado mixture ahead of time and store it in the fridge. When you're ready, just assemble your wrap in minutes, perfect for meal prep or last-minute lunches. No cooking required, no mess to clean up, just pure, efficient fuel for your busiest days. It's a meal that fits seamlessly into your routine. Eat it one-handed if you need to. This wrap is designed for real life, where multitasking is the norm and time is precious. Every bite delivers a balanced blend of protein, healthy fats, and fiber. Everything your body needs to burn fat, stay sharp, and power through your day. When you compare this to a carb-heavy sandwich or fast food, the avocado tuna power wrap stands out as the smarter, more strategic choice for your health and your waistline. It's a powerhouse of protein and healthy fat, designed for sustained performance, whether you're at your desk, in a meeting, or on the go. The avocado tuna power wrap. Smart, strategic, and absolutely delicious. It's proof that healthy eating can be simple, satisfying, and totally doable, even on your busiest days. Too busy for lunch? Not anymore. With this wrap, you can fuel your body and mind in just minutes. No matter how packed your schedule is, you really can have both health and career success. Just use the right recipe and let the avocado tuna power wrap be your secret weapon. Last up, let me introduce you to the fat-melting yogurt crunch bowl, my not-so-secret weapon for crushing cravings and fueling my day with energy. This bowl isn't just a snack, it's a game-changer for anyone who wants to eat healthy, feel satisfied, and still enjoy something that tastes absolutely delicious. When your sweet tooth screams for attention, this bowl is the answer you've been looking for. Instead of reaching for a candy bar or a sugary pastry, you can whip up this bowl in minutes and satisfy your cravings the smart way. The star of the show is full-fat or 2% plain Greek yogurt. Don't be tempted by the fat-free, sugar-loaded versions. They're often packed with hidden sugars and won't keep you full for long. Greek yogurt, especially the full-fat or 2% kind, is rich, creamy, and loaded with nutrients your body needs. Greek yogurt is a true protein powerhouse. It helps keep you full for hours, supports muscle repair, and even gives your metabolism a gentle boost. Plus, the probiotics in yogurt are fantastic for gut health, which is key for overall wellness and weight management. Start by scooping a generous portion of Greek yogurt into your favorite bowl. The thicker and creamier, the better. It'll make every bite feel indulgent. Next, add a handful of mixed berries, fresh or frozen, whatever you have on hand. Berries bring natural sweetness, a burst of color, and a dose of fiber that helps keep your blood sugar steady. Berries are low in sugar compared to most fruits, but they're high in antioxidants, which help fight inflammation and protect your cells. They're the perfect way to satisfy your sweet tooth without the sugar crash that comes from processed snacks. For that irresistible crunch, sprinkle on some slivered almonds, chia seeds, and flax seeds. These add a trio of protein, healthy fats, and fiber, making your bowl even more filling and nutritious. The magic of chia and flax seeds is that they expand in your stomach, helping you feel full and satisfied for hours. No more mid-morning or afternoon hunger pangs. Finish with a sprinkle of cinnamon. Not only does it add warmth and a hint of spice, but cinnamon also helps control blood sugar and can curb those pesky sugar cravings. To assemble, just layer your Greek yogurt, pile on the berries, add your favorite nuts and seeds, and dust with cinnamon. It's that simple. The result? A bowl that looks and tastes like a decadent dessert, but is actually a metabolic powerhouse. It's packed with nutrients, keeps you energized, and supports your health goals. The best part? It takes just 3 minutes to make, so there's really no excuse not to treat yourself to something healthy, even on your busiest days. This bowl is perfect for breakfast, a quick lunch, or even a light dinner. It's versatile enough to fit into any part of your day, and it never gets boring. You can customize it with whatever fruit or nuts you have on hand. Try adding sliced banana, a drizzle of honey, or even a sprinkle of cacao nibs for a chocolatey twist. Every spoonful is a perfect balance of creamy, crunchy, sweet, and satisfying. It's a treat you'll look forward to, and it'll keep you on track with your health goals. Outsmart your cravings, fuel your body with real food, and enjoy every bite without any guilt. The fat-melting yogurt crunch bowl is your 3-minute solution to staying on track, feeling full, and loving what you eat, no matter how busy your day gets. There you have it. 3 simple, delicious, and effective meals you can make in under 10 minutes, right in your own kitchen. The Protein Crunch Mediterranean Bowl, the Avocado Tuna Power Wrap, and the Fat-Melting Yogurt Crunch Bowl are all packed with flavor and nutrition. No cooking, no complicated prep, and absolutely no excuses to hold you back. You now have the tools and recipes you need to take control of your workday nutrition. Getting in shape is about making smarter choices every day, not just finding more time. Each meal is designed for sustained energy, focus, and effective fat loss. Start now, 1 meal at a time, and watch your progress build. Small, consistent wins each day build unstoppable momentum for lasting change. Change your health, energy, and focus. 1 10-minute meal at a time starting today. For more real workday meals and tips, hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. This is Slimsync, where busy professionals like you get real results every single day.